Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Friday. Jazz hands. How are you? It's the last Friday in May. I'm getting it all ready for Pride Month, which starts on Monday. Can you believe it's going to be June 1st? Amazing. So I got a lot of stuff going on, a lot more lectures to book. If you're looking for last minute bookings for June for your company, corporation, or event, check me out at gregorbaird.com. I would appreciate it. Here's a little snazzy flyer that I've been passed around the internet. So take down the info, give me a look. I just redid my website, by the way, and I think it looks really great. A couple more things I want to tweak on it yet. I got to wait for a couple of weeks yet. Getting some stuff done and that kind of thing. So, but it looks 100% better, more savvy, more AI friendly a little bit. You know what I used to get things done. And also the Gregor Seasoning site has all been done by AI. You know, that's the route we're going now, right? I guess so, something like that. So what do you got planned for the weekend? I got a few things going on. I hope it's going to be a good one for you. The weather here in the Midwest is really great. I hope it's great wherever you're at, whatever country you're viewing from. I hope it's going to be a beautiful weekend for you. Speaking of Pride, I want to show you this little video I took right now. So you're going to be watching this while I'm talking. So just north of me, there's a community called Andersonville. It's another neighborhood. Beautiful neighborhood. And I went up just specifically the other day on Wednesday to film this. And it's a street called Magnolia. And in between, I gotta get this right now, between Catalpa and Balmoral, all these trees are covered with rainbows. And I love that the neighborhood is all in on it. It looks incredible and inviting and beautiful. Beautiful trees, beautiful homes. It's just really nice. So I stopped by to take a look, and I know everybody's getting ready for Pride, and they've put on their best foot forward. So hats off to that neighborhood. It looks really fantastic. So if you live in the neighborhood or live up near Andersonville, go take a walk up and down that neighborhood. It's really quite stunning. It really made me give a good feel, so you know what I'm talking about. So it gets you all excited for Pride coming up. I want to make a really good suggestion here. People will say, well, Greg, what are you watching on streaming? Good segue, wasn't it? What are you watching on streaming lately? And I got hooked on the show called The Boroughs, which is on Netflix. If you have not seen this yet, I already watched all of it. It took me like 3 separate nights to watch it, but it is amazing. It's really intriguing. It's done by the same, I think the same producers, same directors, producers of Stranger Things. And I view it as kind of a combination of Goonies, E.T., and Cocoon. So when you see it, let me know what you think. But I'm probably going to end up watching maybe the last couple of them again, because I just thought it was so well done. So check it out. It's on Netflix. I just thought it was a lot of fun. Just something I wanted to watch now, and you know, some gloom and doom or anything else on TV. So check it out. But that's all I got going on right now. Lecture stuff, working on things for June, for Pride Month, and having some time for myself. So I hope you will do the same. Subscribe, like, and share. Give me a few comments. Like to hear from you. As always, I appreciate the love and the likes and all that kind of stuff. Make sure you have a lot of love, life in your neck of the woods. Remember, with Pride Month coming up, support your local businesses, support all of these people that are giving a damn about creating community, belonging, and inclusion. We all need that support. I'm a small business owner with Gregor Seasoning. Support me and other businesses that are out there and nationally as well and globally. You know, we need all the loving and all the support we can get. Have a great weekend coming up. I'll see you on Monday. It's going to be Pride Month. It's going to be a good one. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for checking in. Bye.